Okay, here's our tent tour at the Hyde. This is the family suite. Anybody that is coming with families, these will both turn into individual beds. A couple of deck chairs out here. Of course, a view of the flail. Coffee that is brought to you every morning. And you have a bathtub. I'm guessing maybe it gets cold here and you need that. Of course, a lovely view out from your tub. Here we have the sink and closet area. Washroom. And then out here is an outdoor shower, which is quite large. It's quite lovely for having a shower and looking out. And when the Ellies come in to drink, you get to watch them walk by. Right now, the only thing at the water hole is a little warthog. You see him out there. And then back in. This is all canvas. The whole thing is a tent. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful accommodation for families, or in my case, for myself. Each tent is a little different. There's a honeymoon suite, and then all the other tents can be set up either as one large bed or 2 twin beds. There you go. That's your tour from the Hyde, Zimbabwe.